This is a brand new 2014 BMW 4 Series. Its top features and packages include the Driver Assistance Package, BMW apps, a rear view camera, a smartphone adapter, a sports suspension, Sportline trim, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are included: dual power seats, BMW individual composition, side impact airbags, a split folding rear seat, traction control, four-wheel disc brakes with ABS, rain-sensing windshield wipers, and a navigation system. With an EPA estimated rating of 35 miles per gallon on the highway, it doesn't compromise fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.